Solubility rules are so easy, I just have to skim over them. I don't have to study them at all.
Don't you procrastinate, little man. Don't underestimate or undermine. These are important now, you must learn them. If you don't learn these rules, you'll be crying inside.
You'll be crying inside because you failed your test.
And you don't want that to happen, do you? Then you have to buckle down for a bit. Just learn the rules, you'll be fine. Before we start our lesson, look at the KSP. When that number is really high, you know the salt will dissolve at ease. But when that number is low, you'll see that the salt is still there, then the slightly soluble. And that other phrase, marginally soluble, they both will mean the same thing. Good examples are hydroxides that dissolve one bit at a time. Same for most carbonates, chromates, and sulfides.
He missed one. Phosphates are on the side.
The chlorides, the bromides, the iodides all shed. Exceptions include silver, mercury, and lead. The sulfates, they're soluble except for these. The bariums, the calciums, the leads, and mercuries. Now you, young man, I'll let you in on a fact. I'll tell you why salts dissolve, and that is that. It's actually quite a simple concept when you learn about it. The water's forces are strong and can pull ions off. You gotta find a salt where the attraction's not buff. Bet you didn't know that one, right, my student? Now you gotta think about it. The salts that I mentioned before, the exceptions to the rules above, the ones that never dissolved at all. Now those salts are strong. You see? It's the weak you need. Cause when a salt is weak, it pulls apart with ease. But you might have noticed that I mentioned two atoms that are stubborn, that's true. No matter what they're bonded to, they never seem to shed. Those atoms in particular are mercury and lead. But there are some salts that when they're tested, you'll see. In water, of course, you'll never see them be. It's the last part of the lesson. Only a little bit left to go. Don't go to sleep now. Now, are you ready? Are you ready? Ammoniums are soluble.
Ammoniums are soluble.
Nitrates are always soluble.
Even with mercury and lead.
Alkali salts are always soluble. And you feel it. You're learning alright. I say you're much obliged. But if you fail your test, don't blame me. You can blame yourself and will cry in silence.